RPA agents overview. In this lesson, we'll learn about the fundamental component of Zoho RPA, the RPA agent. We'll cover what an RPA agent is, and then we'll walk through how to install it across different operating systems. So what exactly is an RPA agent? Put simply, it's a program that runs on your desktop. Think of it as a software robot that sits right on your desktop and automates the tasks that you build in your workflows. Every machine that you want the automation to run on needs an RPA agent installed. It acts like a bridge between your desktop machine and the RPA server. This connection is important because it allows two-way communication. First, the agent constantly updates the Zoho RPA server on your computer's status. For example, if it's turned on, available, and ready to start the automation. Second, it enables the Zoho RPA server to send instructions to your computer, telling the agent exactly what steps it needs to perform. The very first step in building your workflow is to get your RPA agent set up. To begin, log into your Zoho RPA account. From there, navigate to the Settings tab, click Agents, and then click the Create Agent button. Now click Generate Key. This will create a unique installation key for your organization. Only owners or users with administrator privileges can perform this step. Once the key is generated, you can download the installer file for your operating system. Zoho RPA supports agents for Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. Now, let's dive into the installation process for each platform.